They say these are the best cookies in New York City and cannot be replicated at home. Well, they're wrong, and we'll show them today. To start, we are going to measure out 230 grams or 1.5 cups of cake flour. Next, we will add 275 grams or 2 cups of all-purpose flour to our cake flour. Also, try not to spill half your flour like I did. Trust me, it's not fun to clean up. To that, we will add 5 grams or 1.5 teaspoons of salt to our flour mixture. Now, to help our cookies keep shape and not fall in the oven, we will be adding 8 grams or 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. To that, we will add 6 grams or half a teaspoon of baking soda and mix together. If you enjoy making recipes from bakeries like this at home, make sure to subscribe in order not to miss all future recipes. To this, we will add 285 grams or 1.25 cups of brown sugar to our mixture, followed up by 115 grams or a half cup of sugar, and whisk together until combined. In a medium saucepan, melt 280 grams or 1.25 cups unsalted butter over a low flame. And stream slowly while mixing into your flour mixture. Next, we add 2 whole eggs and 3 egg yolks. You can separate your egg yolks any way you want. For me, it's easier to just get a little dirty and use my hands. But if you would like to use the cleaner method, you can just use the classic method with the shells. If you are so far enjoying this video and you love chocolate chip cookies, make sure to hit the like button. Now time for a crunch. We will be adding 165 grams or 2 cups of walnuts. I prefer to chop them so they're smaller pieces and more evenly spread out. But if you prefer the whole walnut, you can just add them straight in whole. Now, up to the most important and delicious ingredient, we have our chocolate. You can use any chocolate you prefer, whether it's some milk chocolate or some regular classic dark chocolate. For this recipe, we will be using dark chocolate, but feel free to use milk chocolate. We will then chop 450 grams or 1 pound of dark chocolate into chunks and then incorporate with our dough. Cover with saran wrap and refrigerate for 45 minutes. We will now line a baking tray with parchment paper and scoop out our cookie dough using an ice cream scooper. Make sure not to press down or roll out the dough. If you want more precise and perfect cookies, measure out 6 ounces of cookie dough and add that to your baking sheet. We will now bake our cookies at 425 degrees for 10 to 13 minutes until nice and golden all around, yet still chewy in the inside. Thank you so much for watching, and if you did not get a chance yet to subscribe, make sure to do so before it's too late.